I have my doggy Roro here. I love you, Roro. I never gave you Roro right here ever. And so I'm gonna marry him. Yeah, I'm gonna marry him. I'm gonna have a beautiful dress. And he's gonna have a beautiful suit. We're gonna be best friends and husband and wife forever. Right, Roro?